Hello friends, this is the first ever video that I am speaking directly while shooting. So there are some grammatical mistakes, but forgive me for my sin. I want to upload this video naturally so that you guys can enjoy it while watching. This is beautiful, look at it. This is for YouTube. So we are on the way to, what is this, Nongblai, where it is full of root bridges. When I get there, I will show you all the beautiful root bridges which we've never seen before. And just look at this track, like it's so beautiful, very beautiful. Like I've seen road bridges on internet. I've seen the one in Malanang, but this one will be something new to me. And like we arrive here at around, I think 3, so we have lunch, and now we're heading straight to the Nongblai. You mix it with black sesame or white sesame seeds also. Oh, it's not you, bro. This is the 1-hour trek until you reach down the hill, and these people, they're walking here. And don't forget, we have to come back this way.
We'll think about that later tomorrow.
No, Pascal said that we have to come back this way only.
Yes.
No other option.
Kijat. Pergi Aida.
Okay, I'll show you. Automatic.
Aida, there's Aida. Hello.
Hello.
There's Aida.
I'm tomato.
Our face are turning red.
Nika.
Turning red. There's Nika and Sir up there. They're coming. Ada video nih. Oh my goodness. Look at the steps. It's very steep. You have to keep climbing down, and keep climbing down. There's so many steps. There, my legs are shivering. Hello, Aida.
Hi.
Hello, Nika.
Hello.
Hello, Sir.
Hi.
And this is not the only steps that we climb. It. At it. It's my voice is shaking out, damn it. Because it's too tired climbing this. But it's so much fun. And it's beautiful. Let me show you. Look at how beautiful that is. Very beautiful. There's the point. I mean, the national highway is up there. And there's more. We have to climb more down to keep going until we reach to the destination. Oh, let me show you. See, people from here are harvesting these brooms and they will sell them to the, I don't know, city or maybe. See, there are some people down there harvesting this broom. I mean, these steps are just too beautiful. Too beautiful.
Look at my leg over here.
Mm-hmm.
Take video of them sitting on somewhere.
Mm-hmm. We are resting here because we're too tired. We've been climbing like this step, and down, and climb more. Nice. You have no idea how much steps have we climbing down.
And the video, please.
Shall I get ready?
We can move. Wait, okay. Wait. Video. Ah.
Here we go. Wow. Running these steps. Show you the step. I have no idea how steep it is. Let me show you. These are the steps I've been running. Look. Oh. More down. More down. Phew. Climbing down these steps. It's so much fun actually. So much fun. Hey. We are underneath this rose. It's beautiful. I think we're about to reach the destination. Another resting spot. So finally we have reached the destination, but we are still yet to go. Show you this. Have you ever seen this or not? This is the wild black pepper, which we call it. It's a local black pepper actually, which grows by these people here, and they are very tasty. Look at it, and this is how they look like. So many. That's how they grow. People here are literally living in the middle of the jungle, and it's beautiful. And I wish I could live in this kind of life where everything is so peaceful and so calm. That's the, where is it? That's the house over there. If you can see it or not. We are finally here. Oh, see? People are living here in the middle of the forest. Look at it. Wow. Beautiful. See? More houses. More houses. Look, they're living in the middle of the valley. It's beautiful. Oh, another. Look at it. Wow. We have finally reached the camp that we are going to stay for tonight. Because tomorrow we're going to trek some more. Look at this camp. So beautiful. This one over there. Very beautiful. And this one here. I think I love this one. This one is beautiful. So nice. These are the tents. Okay. So this is where I will be sleeping tonight. This is the place we camp for tonight. And it is indeed such a very beautiful place. So right now it's 7:42, right? So 7:42, and see, our friends are enjoying playing there in the bonfire. They're playing Uno. Look at them. So these are the food we are going to have tonight for dinner.
Em lại ông nè, xim lupa nang nè malah. Idot. Malah bu ket.
This is chicken, this is this pork cucumber. I am sleeping inside the tent. Look at it. Now it's 11 and I will go to sleep.